Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And this video is around the AWS. And suppose you have a log enabled on your server and that is increasing day by day. Then in this case you are facing the the storage issue. So you can restrict the log size. So I'm going to reproduce this same thing. So I can see here if I come to my panel, I can configure the log limit. So system max use. So this is the maximum log will be created up to 200 MB. And if you want to make it more less, so I can make it 350. So the system keep free. The ideal should be the 500. But yeah, if you want to make it lower, you can also go for. Now the max file secure. You want to keep the maximum file. So by default it remain on 7. So no, not the by default we will have to keep. So I don't want to go with the 7 day. I only want to keep for the only 1 day. So this kind of setup you can do on your server. Now this is after doing this you'll have to restart your server. So first I'm moving to this particular file so that I can make the change. And now you see I have here the system x file 150 you will find here. So by default it remain commented system max huge. Yeah, so I need to delete this and I am going to assign this value 150 m 150 MB. Second, system keep free 300 m. Okay, system keep free 300 m. Now I have another variable that is max file sec. This is max retention file sec. Okay, so max file sec you see here. The default value you see here is 1 1, so you can keep it to 1 day. So let's make it for the 2 days, and the value will be like this 1 2 3 and month event. So these three change can be done on your server side, and here we'll have to make this change in this file. Okay, and then after doing this both changes, so come to the edit this file and I have made all these three changes. Now we'll have to restart. So you'll have to restart your system this journal ID. So now I restarted. So even I was facing the issue. So this is not something I already know. So I tried using here our the chat GPT. So it is suggesting me to do this step. Okay. So this is how you'll be able to do optimize your server to make the cache. Clear? Now I can check for this one. So after cleaning up, I need to verify. So at any point of time, if you want to verify, so how you'll be able to verify this one? So generals CTL disk images. So if I come up here and can execute this command, and I see the archive and active journal take this in the file system. Okay, so this is how you'll be able to optimize or modify your log to the file system. So this is for the file system. So database will have a different one. So how the database one you can do? So let me ask here how to do for the database. Okay, so above one is for the file system. Now check database log. So like this, I will have to log into database. Then I need to run this command. Okay, so table this. No, this is for checking the database. I know, no, log. I'm asking for log database log. Okay, so so variables like log error, so you'll have to do something like this. Okay, so I will try this first at my end, and then I will be recording the video for this. Thank you. So you are done with the file system, so how you'll be able to do and modify the cache. Okay, so log, how you will be able to modify. Thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.